Welcome to rapidcarloans.net. Poor credit cannot hold you back from buying your dream car. Poor credit car buyers are often troubled about their credit score. But poor credit history doesn't mean you have to shy away from buying a car. Rapid Car Loans can help you in securing low-rate auto financing programs. The company has been providing affordable car financing options since 2008. It is a leader in the subprime auto financing market. Rapid Car Loans delivers faster results and ensures that you don't have to wait for getting no-obligation car loan quotes. Get instant car loan approval and buy your favorite car by simply filling the secure auto loan application form. If you are looking to buy a used car, Rapid Car Loans can help you by providing poor credit used car loans at lowest rates. The company's expertise can aid in getting the best poor credit car financing program for used cars. Before choosing a used car, Rapid Car Loans advises you to inspect it. You can ask your mechanic to check the automobile. Also, keep in mind the following criteria before selecting a pre-owned automobile. First, the car should not be driven for more than 90,000 miles. Second, the car should not be older than 6 years. And third, the car title should be clean. Simple requirements and highly customized auto financing solutions make Rapid Car Loans perfect for you. The company's Poor Credit Car Loan program can help you in buying the car of your dreams. It will also support you in improving your credit score by making your payments affordable. So, get ready for multiple benefits with Rapid Car Loans. Apply now and bring your car dream to life. For more information on used car loans for poor credit borrowers, visit us at www.rapidcarloans.net. Or, if any question, you can email to us at finance@rapidcarloans.net. Have a happy car shopping. Best of luck.